How to buy WebKey DAO token. So this token came under the symbol of WK DAO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token like this. As you can see, this token like this is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Open your BTK wallet for that. Go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token like this in the search bar. Now click on this plus icon, but before that, make sure to read that risk. As you can see, make sure to read all of that. And if you are ready to go, now click on confirm. So click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called WK DAO. So after you find it, click on it and here click on swap. As you can see, now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy WK DAO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.